everyone, Sean here from WHM, and this is the 2021 Chevy Corvette Stingray. You are looking at the gorgeous 2021 Corvette Stingray in Sebring Orange, which is now a discontinued color. The C8's mid-engine layout optimizes weight distribution for greater performance in a straight line and on the track. And with the additional Z51 package, the Stingray does 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds. This car looks so good and is super easy and comfortable to drive, even though it packs a powerful punch. The exhaust note is subtle at startup and at idle, but at full throttle it's exciting as the 6.2-liter V8 pushes out 495 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. The MSRP of the vehicle we tested was $82,155. That is definitely a bargain for everything you are getting in such a beautiful car, inside and out. The cockpit influenced premium interior features 8-way power GT2 bucket seats that are ventilated and a leather-wrapped steering wheel. Anyone can get behind the wheel of this mid-engine car and be comfortable driving it. Just jump in and go, even if it's for a quick lunch break at your local Whataburger. The touchscreen with navigation is standard on the 2LT, and the parking assist camera is a very helpful feature for seeing the curbs. You will easily spend hours of fun behind the wheel of this performance car. I had a blast with it for 7 straight days, and I did not want to give it up when the time came. The best part of the 2021 Corvette Stingray is how easy it is to remove the roof of the car and enjoy the convertible weather. There are 3 latches, 2 in the front and 1 right behind your head to unlock it, which lets you simply lift the roof up. The rear trunk is convenient as it is designed to safely store the roof and secure it tightly. In under 60 seconds, you are ready to jump right back in and enjoy your spirited drive on the roads. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more videos.